Hello, and welcome to this ER Studio repository install Oracle edition, where we'll be showing you how to go ahead and configure your Oracle database to be able to have all the necessary permissions and requirements for setting up either the professional edition or the enterprise team edition repository that is used to be for team server. So we'll go ahead and get started. So the agenda for today is going to be how we will configure the Oracle database for the repository setup, how we can connect to the Oracle pluggable database. As you are aware, starting from 12c, the Oracle has changed to the container-based system, and from 21c onwards, you cannot create non-container databases. So having said that, here we'll be using the Oracle 19c edition, which is supported. And we will go ahead and create an Oracle user, assign the necessary privileges, and we will log in with that user to make sure that they can go ahead and create objects. So with that, let's get started. So here I am at my command prompt, and I'm going to go ahead and connect to the Oracle database. I'll go ahead and check which container I'm connected to. So by default, I'm right now in the root container. And I would like to look at some of the pluggable databases I have. So here for our setup, we'll be exploring the ERS-PDB1 pluggable database. So let's switch to that now. So I'm go ahead and connect. There you go. Now we can go ahead and just hit show container name. And there you go. So now we're in the correct database. Now what we'll do is we'll go into SQL Developer, where I've already gone ahead and connected. These are the scripts that you will find from our documentation page. So let me go ahead and navigate there. So if you go to the ER Studio DocWiki page under the team server, you will have to navigate under the database requirements. And you'll navigate here. You can see we have a list of permissions. And here I have added all of the scripts that you need to use in order to successfully create the repository. So here you can see that I've used ER Studio. So please replace ER Studio with the username of your choice and a chosen password, strong password. So let's go ahead and see how we can go ahead and create this. So now I'll go ahead and run the script here. And there you go. Everything has been granted and the user has been created. So now let's go ahead and connect to this as a different user. So what I'll do is I'll go into properties here. And here I'll just change the name. It's just a normal user. We'll test it. Excellent. Now I'll go ahead and save this and hit connect. So now you'll see that I'm in the ERS PDB a PDB pluggable database. And now I can actually go ahead and just create a table. So here I'll just call it C1 number. And go ahead and execute this. And there you go. So the sample table has been created. All the permissions are here. So here, if I go under the actual ER Studio one, sorry, here you go. So there you go. Now you can see the sample. So there you go. Everything looks good. Now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll drop this here. So I'll go back to my query editor. And there you go. The table is dropped. So now if I go ahead and refresh this, we now have a clean schema that we can work with and set up for the Oracle database. So thank you for watching this video. We hope that this was helpful. And if you have any further questions, please navigate to the idera.com/contact sales area, and we'll be more than happy to speak with you. Thank you and have a great day.